Today we are going to go to the math program that we have called SumDog. Many of you have played this before. If you click on the link that I have next to this video, it will take you to our school login page that already has the school code RAMS560 in there. If you just type in SumDog, which sometimes you all do, you have to type in the school code RAMS560. But as long as you click on the link I have, you don't have to do that. You're just going to put in your username and your password just like you would log into the computer and then click log in. Now, quick fire questions to get your brain in gear. If SumDog doesn't know you well yet, you may get easy questions. So the only one that we are doing is math. We are doing the free version of this program. So we cannot do all of the games. So I would click math and I would do this warm up. So I have a supercar. I'm answering the questions, how many? And the more I get right, then I change my car. I go faster and I'm beating this little dog on a skateboard. So once I'm done, it's going to show me what my score was. I had 9 questions. I got 9 correct, 100% accuracy. So there's no corrections. And I also earned 9 coins. So then I'm going to click play. You see, if I play for 30 minutes, I get 100 coins. Now, at the very beginning, if you have not been in SumDog before, the questions might be easier because it's giving you a diagnostic test, which means it's just giving you questions to see what you know so it can figure out the type of questions that are appropriate for you. So if it's really easy, if it's too hard, that's okay. Just do your best so that SumDog can figure out what you know and the best place for you to play. So I have my character here. The house may or may not be open. It depends on if I set it that way or not. The games are the background. If I click the arrows on either side, that goes to a new game. So this is Street Dash 3D. Now some of them may not be available. If it has a sign over it, that would be something that is paid for. It looks like, so right here, members only. We can't do that because we have not paid to play that game. Only the ones that are just open are we allowed to play. If you want to play that game, you click on the background, the picture, and then it will load up and it will start your game. You are playing against other people. Sometimes it might be a person that's in the room with you. Sometimes it might be a person that you don't know that's from anywhere all over the world. So you answer the question up here, is that even, is that odd, or the math problem, or count, or whatever. You're earning coins along the way. And then I'm going to quit out, so I'm not playing her game. But you can play any of these games. Now, we're not going into this other stuff over here because there are other subjects, but we're not paying for those, so it's not going to let us go to them even if we try. We don't need to go into training. The only thing, if it's open, would be the house. If I have the house open, this is where you spend the coins. This is where you change a person. But we're not going to spend forever doing that and not actually doing any of the math games where we're learning. So just know that. I'm going to click log out when I'm done.